We got an iPhone XS Max with a problem that 0% remaining while inserting the charger. In that case, you may face like phone lagging, not charging, battery health not showing, battery percentage looking low, etc. These are the common cases if you have such issues on your iPhone. Power off your iPhone. Disconnect the battery first and remove all flags carefully. Remember, from iPhone XR to up model has not shown battery health after replacing the battery. So, what have you need to do while changing the battery to show battery health? In the description below. There are so many possible reasons for that issue. Let's go to fix it. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you want to increase the battery health, video on the description, check it out. The very first, you have to know why this happens. Is that a simple solution for that? If the battery SWI line has a problem, then such a problem happens. This pin detects the battery. If such a pin has problem, then iPhone is unable to detect the battery and such issues happen. The very first, you try by replacing another battery. I saw most of that cases have battery issues. The problem on one pin, both of them marked on the image, cause these issues. The loose contact of the battery to the battery connector also has created the such problem. After doing all, if the problem was still the same, then there must be hardware issues on your board. Let's check the continuity of the battery connector. The first pin is a SWI pin on which continuity shows. Second is battery positive point. The third one is ground. The fourth one is SWI, and this pin have problem in my cases. Here you can see the MOSFET is missing, or most time the MOSFET is loose or broken. Let's have a look at the diagram. This is a battery connector and SWI line has a problem. Here you can see MOSFET which was connected to the battery. I have donor board and let's remove these parts. Let's put that MOSFET in the right position. Clean rosin carefully, force my damaged parts. Now I change these missing parts. Now check battery connector continuity. Both SWI pin have the same ground resistance. Let's check on pin have continuity, and then another pin that was open have also continuity now. This means the battery connector pin is now complete. Let's check whether the problem was fixed or not. If you face such a problem, then try this fast. The battery connector might lose contact with the battery. Battery pin SWI might be damaged sometime, so replace the new battery and check. Check battery connector pin is broken or not. Now here you can see battery shows 32%, means default was fixed. If you have any query about the video, then drop your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe, support to achieve our goal of 100k. It's me, the host Akash from the GSM Solution, and signing out.